What are we doing?
We're looking at the dam.
Wow.
And there's a kid and I'm walking out here. Daddy, come here. Come here, Daddy. Come here, Daddy. Look at some more water. There's a little rafts out there. More green water. Looks like there's fish in there. Yeah, but look here. There's fish in there, Daddy. There's fish in there, Daddy. There is. Daddy.
Great. The rock you were looking at is called Navajo sandstone, a very predominant rock here in the area. It extends almost 400 feet below the riverbed. The rock is very unique. It acts just like a big sponge. For that reason, you can see on that left canyon wall there the seepage occurring. That's water coming from Lake Powell through the microscopic pores that are in the rock out into the area here. Very common, and it's unique that even though it carries a tremendous amount of water at the same time, it's still a very stable rock. Level lake comes in through 8 15-foot diameter openings at the rate of 1.3 million gallons per minute through each pipe. Falls 450 feet through the concrete, gains speeds of up to 120 miles an hour, rushes under that grass and crashes up against that turbine wheel, creating 155,000 horsepower. Causes that 16-foot diameter wheel to spin at the rate of 150 RPMs, which action causes the shaft to spin. You see the turbine shaft spinning there. That is made of steel, 40 inches in diameter, revolves at the rate of 150 RPMs.